Still the Venrap Radio nereka diwandi dukan sona ni mwana wa mahunguni kutangana mina nifuna waone ha wone yo jona mapungo. So I didn't want to really address this issue ngotabanya, so I just had to take my time and let the whole thing at the keto it may relax and die down, then get to this issue. There were a lot of posts, there were a lot of comments, there were a lot of things like people were saying saying Makhadzi is killing her career because uko perform at ANC ambara that thing in a line of worry come to me about ANC. What people don't understand is that every they're able to hire an artist to come and perform, and they can even dress the way they feel, and some like they feel like this is how I need to represent when I perform, and some they even get paid to do that. Like you're getting paid to perform and you're getting paid to wear the clothes. Come on, but that's not killing the career, because if you're hot, you're hot. If you're a hot property in the game, you're a hot property. One thing people need to understand, Makhadzi, she's hot in the street. She's dominating the street. She might not be all over the TV, not all over, like, whatever these, what's so-called corporate gigs and, all these things, other places. But let me tell you, she's way booked than most of these artists that you see them on TV shows, doing reality shows, doing all these things on TV, and you just see them left and right. But she's more powerful, more bigger than most of these artists, because she's the street, man. She's owning the streets. So if you own the streets, you own the game. You run the game. You the man. You're the woman. You're the king. You're the queen. You know what I mean? So a lot of stories were being said that she's killing the career. So people need to understand that depending on who booked her first to come and perform, then you gotta make money. She needs to eat. She needs to pay the bills. So this thing of a career go there's nothing. We even forget that some, like, she were performing on those rallies. Because remember, obviously you were to perform on those gigs. She has fans. Those people that are attending those rallies and all those whatever gathering, they are also Makhadzi's fans. They are also each and every artist's fans, because she was not the only artist that was performing there. And I didn't see people complaining about other artists, but complaining about her. Why do we always trying to drag us down? Like we're dragging ourselves down. Why did you whether if you're rally you are still gonna say the same thing. So you need to understand that she's out there to make money. She's out there to entertain. So it doesn't matter or really horribly pay. But one thing you need to understand, she's an artist that needs to entertain. And if she's getting booked, she's getting booked. Here's sorry. Hey, guy, come on, stop smoking cheap weed. Guys, let's stop that whole thing and support the artists. Na watebeli wani mahoro ndi watebeli wawa. Namsi badakali horo land na warni funa lone ngadbamtebeli. Wow. So it doesn't matter. If nango feel you wanna go and watch her there, you were supposed to have gone there to the new rally. Nisangoelori uli horole ko dambos you hello no era ujakatula no dipinda na bangwe batu kongwa. So I just want to address that. What about to RDJ the fact you're an funny team if you're on tamba bora and funny horole pio and funny channel pio and funny zipio doesn't mean you rizuko to affect bangwe batu, because they're out there to make money. Ne diwa funa zone ngazina kadondi duka nswana ndi mwana ndi wa mahunguni. She can go perform all she want. I don't care. If she's here, I'm gonna go watch her perform. So you know,
just get a little drawing going, you know? That's what it is, man. Word up, ASAP Rocky. What up, my nigga? Count down the arm. Venrap. Count down the arm again. Venrap